Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you how you can select bill of material and can create process. So first of all, let us go to our production module, click on browse module, click on production. Now, this is the list of all the production processes. So where you need to go in bill of materials. So once you will come in bill of material, please check these are the list of your bill of materials for which you can go ahead and start the production. So suppose I went ahead and selected one bill of material of needle valve, second bill of material of rod. So two bill of materials I selected. How I can go ahead and start the process? On your right hand side, you will see an option of start process. Click on that. You can also delete the bill of material by clicking on this delete option. Click on delete. Then after you need to type delete, it will provide you that in which processes or the child bill of materials which are linked, and accordingly you can type the delete and can delete it. Now let me go back and click on start process. Now once I clicked on start process, please check from here you will get the process creation page. Here you can go ahead and enter the quantity and then after can start the production by clicking on submit. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and select multiple bill of material to create process or to how to delete bill of material. Have a good day ahead.